Alright, so my first video, okay? I'm hoping I upload this shit. Today, we're putting fairings on my bike. Just got the Gixxer. It's red. I don't really like red. So I got some of the fairings here. I got the rest of them already in the garage. I'll shoot another clip when they're there. It's gonna be my first video, you feel me? So bear with me. Step one. We got all the fairings right here. So insane. Sexy. We just stuffed the seat last weekend too. She looks fluffy.
You remember how we did this last time?
What is?
The fucking bolt on the bottom?
Just when I laid it down.
Yeah, that's what I was like, that's surprising.
Damn. Uh-oh. We're gonna have to get in there, see what the fuck all this is. Yeah, it looks like I see a spot that's kind of like, I don't know if it's wet or just looks wet, but there's all this gunk. Feel me? We're gonna check it out once the shit's off. What was the leak from again?
Just a bad gasket.
Yeah. Easy fix. So he said. So we just getting done taking everything off. Okay. Got all the fairings here. I'm about to start putting everything on. Jeez. Time for a little bike break. Alright, boys. Here we are. Got fairing and put on. Starting to look like I could picture it. Making progress.
You're making lots of progress.
Should have clean. Shit about to be so sexy. We gotta make that Jack in the Box run real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mike is a hoe right now.
Damn, we almost done though, for real. I ain't gonna hold you to it. We almost fucking done though, bucko. We're gonna have to keep this on for now, because we're gonna have to take the tire off if we want this one on. So, probably do this one later. But for now, white and black on the card. What's taking so long down here? Oh.
Yeah, I can't see.
Is this why my bike is being a hoe?
Yes.
We got it. Final touches. All right. So here's the finished bike. My bike's a little lowered, so it looks clean. We got the white, the gold forks. Fitment was good. There you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Try to make some more videos, so stick around.